Hey, what's up guys? This is Marin Ellis with Divine Design Fitness, Minister of Muscle. I started something new and I wanted to share it with you. What is it? I've never been a person that focused on nutrition. I always believe I can outwork a diet, but as we get older, that ain't gonna happen. So what did I introduce into my life? I started the keto diet. And I'll be honest with you, this is probably one of the best things that I've ever done in my life. So today I wanna just talk to you about a little bit about me, but I also wanna tell you what benefits I've seen and what benefits you could probably see if you decide to try it, and 5 or 6 quick, easy steps to help you make that transformation to the keto diet. So I've been a personal trainer for about 15 years now, and I really never coached any of my clients on their diet or their food. I gave them general stuff, but nothing specific, because I wasn't doing it myself. But like I said, now time has passed, I've got a little older, your metabolism changes, things like that happen. So I started doing a lot of research to find out what I can do to actually lose weight myself, help my clients lose weight, get healthy, feel better. And again, that was the keto diet. Now I studied biology in college. I studied biology, chemistry, so I understand science. And the keto diet literally makes sense when it comes to the scientific side of things. Now, what is keto? Keto basically, in layman's terms, is getting your body to switch from using carbs and sugar as fuel and switching over to using your body fat as fuel. And that's what we all want. We want to be able to burn our fat. We don't want to just keep eating these carbs and things like that and then live in an active lifestyle, which will cause us to just retain and gain more fat. So that's just in layman's terms. It gets more technical, but it's getting your body to burn fat as fuel by reducing the amount of sugar and carbs that you put in your body. If you look at today's trends, we eat a lot of carbs, we eat a lot of sugar, even when we're trying to eat healthy. If you look at the foods we eat and you look at our inactive lifestyle, you will see the trend. A lot of it has to do with our diet more than it does with our activity level. You need both, but a lot of it has to do with your diet. Literally, it's probably about 60 to 70% what you eat. If you want to lose weight, that's the diet, that's the kitchen. If you want to look good when you lose weight, that's the weight room, that's the strength training, that's the cardiovascular stuff. So tip number 1 when you're starting the keto diet is to make sure you reduce the amount of carbs and sugars that you eat. Look at your labels, make sure you understand what you're putting in your body, because really you're only going to be eating 20 to 50 grams of carbs a day. If you eat any more than that, you're kind of defeating the purpose. Yes, I'm not putting and measuring every single carb, but I have a general idea of how many carbs I'm putting in my body just to make sure that I can stay in that range. And even off of that, I was able to see some great results by measuring the amount of carbs and sugar I was putting in my body every day. Tip number 2 on starting the keto diet is using coconut oil in your diet. Whether you want to cook with it, whether you want to put it in some of your smoothies or drinks, is key. 1, because it's MCT oil. It's just a medium chain triglyceride, which is going to help you get into ketosis faster. But as well, some of the side effects of getting into keto is stomach pain, constipation, stomach cramps. And coconut oil can definitely help you either reduce or prevent some of those issues. Because trust me, you definitely don't want those stomach issues that come when you're transferring your body from using sugar and starches to using fat as fuel. So tip number 3 when starting ketosis, increase your physical activity. Yes, you're gonna feel a little lethargic, but push through it. And I'm not saying you gotta lift heavy weights or anything like that, but increase your activity. Go for walks, do some push-ups, sit-ups, go to the gym. Depending on your current fitness level, make sure you increase that activity. There's a couple of reasons why. 1, as your body switches into burning fat instead of sugar, and your sugar levels in your body decrease, your body is going to start burning that fat even more during your workouts, which is going to get you better results faster. And two, your body will start to use those ketones to help fuel the muscle and help build muscle, because you don't have that sugar and fat to try to replenish and build those muscles. So definitely make sure you increase your physical activity to see some of the best results. All right. Tip number 4 to starting keto and getting into keto is make sure you increase the amount of healthy fats you eat. What I mean by healthy fats, I'm talking things like avocados, I'm talking things like olive oil, coconut oil, butter, even lard, the stuff that our grandparents used to cook with. Why? Those fats are definitely gonna help your body trigger the ability to use that as energy is when your sugar levels decrease, because you're not going to be eating as much sugar, you're not going to be eating as much starch, you're not going to be eating breads and pastas or nearly as much. So that fat store in increasing your level of healthy fats is going to help you increase and give you the feeling of satiety. You won't feel as hungry, and it'll trigger your body into burning the fat because there's excess fat in your system. So once you're burning the fat from your body, it'll also burn the fat that you're eating. So you should intake probably about 60 to 80% fats on the keto diet. When it comes to carbs, you're only eating maybe 5% of your daily intake should be carbs. When it comes to the fats, you're eating 60 to 80% fats. So make sure they're healthy fats. Some of it can come from protein, but we'll get into that in a bit. But focus on the oils, focus on healthy fats, avocados, cashews, pecans, almonds, things like that. And do some research to find out what works for you. There are certain things that might not work for you that work for me, certain things that work for me that might not work for you. Make sure you do your research and find out what works for you. Okay. Tip number 5, if you can do it, try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is also a key to help you with ketosis. What I do is I do the 16-8. So I don't eat anything until about 2 p.m. in the afternoon all the way to 10 p.m. at night. The rest of the time, I'm just having black coffee, green tea, or water, and nothing has sugar, no calories. What that's gonna do is put my body in a fasted state, which is also gonna help me burn more fat. And then when I am eating, I'm eating healthy fats, and my body's producing ketones, and my body's burning fat. So it's like double dipping. It's layering your ability to lose fat and burn fat, lose weight, but still, if you're staying an active lifestyle, if you're strength training, you're gonna be able to build muscle and look good, feel good by starting to think good. And the last one, tip number 6, make sure you maintain a decent amount of protein. Your body needs protein to function. Your body needs protein to build muscle. Make sure you have enough protein in your diet to supplement that, but don't have too much. If you have too much protein in your diet, it can actually flip you out of ketosis. So make sure you're eating clean fish, make sure you're eating turkey, make sure you're eating chicken, make sure you're eating steak, good grass-fed, healthy foods, but don't do too much of it or it can kick you out of ketosis. Guys, I really wanted to see what keto would do for me and not include everything else, like working out and other factors. And I lost 5 pounds by just changing the diet in 1 week. And then I actually had to go out of town on a trip, which is one of the hardest times to do keto, because you don't have as much control over what you ate, or what I ate, but I still came back and maintained and even maybe lost a couple of pounds and lost inches. So the key thing is, this is a lifestyle. There's gonna be times where you're gonna have bread, pasta, you're gonna have birthday cake, you're gonna celebrate, but stick to the lifestyle. If you stick to the lifestyle, you will see results. And again, I did all this without working out. I'm at the point now where I'm about to start back in the gym, doing workouts about 3 days a week and some HIIT training, short intermittent, short workouts, fast workouts to get that caloric intake or caloric burn up and burn fat. But I will share and let you know what results that we got there soon. I'm not a keto expert. I am still learning with you on this journey, but I believe in results and I'm getting results. But if you have any questions or you have some great experiences with keto, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Send me a DM on Instagram. leave them in the YouTube comments. You can follow me on Instagram at divine.design.fitness. You can follow me on YouTube at Divine Design Fitness, and visit my website, divinedesignfitness.com, where we have a lot more information and apparel. So again, make sure you follow us on social media, visit our website, let me know what questions you have, give me some tips. I'll give you some of the tips that I learned, because we're doing this together. It's not just about me, it's not about you, it's about this community, and we're trying to make the body of Christ and get the body of Christ in shape. And we can do this together. First, we got to think good, then we can feel good, then we're going to look good. So I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. God bless.